In this video, I'm going to show you how to add your product link to your TikTok videos for TikTok Shop Affiliate. So quite a few people have asked the same exact question. So let me just go ahead to show you step by step how to do it. So first step, you just got to go to your TikTok and go to Product Marketplace. And once you're inside, you just have to look for the product that you want to add to your showcase. So for example, let's say we want to add this steppers. So let's click add here. And once it's added to the showcase, as you can see, you could just click view and you can see all the products that you have added to your showcase. So next step is to just go ahead to post your TikTok video as normal. So let's go to create video. You can add it. You can customize the name, click add, and there you go, it's added. So that's method number one. And for method number two, which is another way to do it, you can just go ahead to create a TikTok video. So for example, let's say this is the TikTok that you created. Just click next. And on the last page here, you can click on click link in the middle and go to product. And here is also another way that you can add the product into your video. And once it's added, this will be linked to your video. And whenever someone watches your video and purchase, you'll get credit for it. So that's how easy it is to link your product to your TikTok video as an affiliate.